Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C: and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Now type this command. cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space C: / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Type attrib C: /boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space C: \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.